If you're looking for a truck rack that's adjustable and strong, look no further than Overland Vehicle Systems Freedom Rack. This Freedom Rack from OVS is extremely versatile, and it's one of the best performing truck bed racks we've seen on the market today. The unique features of the rack start with your ability to adjust the height based on your preferred application. You can extend the heavy-duty towers all the way up to clear your cab for more storage options and access, or you can choose to keep them lowered below the cab for better fuel economy. Not only is this rack versatile, but it's also built with intent. The kit comes fully equipped with not only the heavy-duty towers and crossbars, but also includes 2 long bed sidebars to give you a complete system right out of the box. The functionality doesn't stop there. OVS added integrated tie-down points and T-slot attachments for securing loads and adding any gear or accessories you need for your adventures. And a lifetime of adventures you can have. This rack is built to carry the load and built to last from engineered high-quality aluminum, and it's coated in a durable black powder coat finish. The Freedom Rack can hold a dynamic weight of 450 pounds and a static weight of 1,350 pounds. Your tent, your gear, you can take it all and then some. If you're interested in purchasing the Freedom Rack from Outdoor Vehicle Systems or need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.